Alexander.
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 Don't be Adamant to his reverend wishes.
And his reverend wishes must be granted.
Period.
And his wishes are.
The close must be made.
And the gospel must be lowered to the lords of the Lord, to the lords of the Lord, to the lords of the Lord.
It shall not happen. It is not happening and to never ever happen.
Alexander, please saturate and forget the
I will not
process.
converse to any of your nonsense. Neither will I listen to you who have faith and you have little faith. The crossbar must remain at its region. But look,
Just look.
Alexander, this bar is too wide. We cannot continue like this.
Enough is enough. The lion has been rained on, but don't mistake it for a cow.
Nazi has not been judged and mistake it for a
My ears are allergic to your nonsense. And my word is final.
Final.
Alexander, why are you doing this to your congregation? Why are you not listening to them?
Nonsense with a lot of sense in it. What are you trying to say?
And we know that we know that they know about the cross.
And it kills him inside.
Alexander! What? Take that for your opinion. Take the hammer, take the nail, and begin the process.
The healing process. We are crafting the cross.
Crafting what? Who? And at whose will?
We are crafting the cross by the will of the people.
The cross. The cross. The cross.
The cross shall not be tampered with.
Jesus knows all about our troubles.
We will die till the cross is made.
Alexander, keep this in mind. A tree that is just to bend will eventually break.
And a tree that bends too much like your mouth eventually forgets it.
We have waited, we have tried, but our prayers remain unheard.
Day after day we gather here carrying burdens heavier than stone.
I have heard you. I have listened to you. But listening is not the same as agreeing.
Alexander, the daily process cannot commence unless
Unless you disagree to agree.
We are suffering, we need your healing.
Look at us. Just look at us, Alexander. We are withering.
Have you looked at yourself? In the food that you have eaten, you look like you're eating.
There's not a friend like the lowly Jesus.
Yes. No, not one.
No, not
one. No, not
I don't care. I don't care at all. And if I care carelessly.
Alexander, just look at us. We have hope for tomorrow.
Hope.
We shall stay here, we shall not move until the cross is lowered to the lowest of the low.
To the lords of the Lord. To the lords of the Lord. To the lords of the Lord.
Quiet! Are you trying to test the hardness of your head using a stone?
Alexander,
Your handshake has gone beyond our elbows. We are not all
Stupid! You think that I, Alexander the Great, will listen to any of your nonsense?
guys, we are cutting across for the people, across for the congregation, and across for all of us.
Across to the people is a relative one.
What?
I am now walking out if we cannot agree.
Be careful, you short black thing. This matter is so deep that even what your eyes can see.
Alexander, we need to build a cross for the congregation, a cross for salvation, and a cross for both of us.
This is not a place for your nonsense.
Guys, therefore.
The crossbar will not be made. And if it must be made, then it must go to the extreme top. Otherwise, fire will burn.
This fire has burned long enough for even us to say Alexander.
Guys, listen to me, guys. We are making this cross, and under this cross,
The madness of this parish shall
and
end.
I say under this cross,
The goat and the wolf shall die down in mutual harmony and happiness.
A dream for you cockroaches.
Alexander, this is not your dance. You are the cognizance of this meeting.
And you, Alexander, you will dance for us.
We are done, Alexander. The gospel must belong to the will of the
the will of the people must prevail, and we
Cleopatra! I think you have forgotten your place here. That you are here to be seen, but not to be heard.
I definitely, I detest.
I refuse.
I reject.
I disagree.
We disagree.
Do not disobey my authority.
Unless and only if
We the people.
Look at you. Just look at you. Like ignorant rats, huh? You dare challenge a cat who's meow into a rescue match?
Nonsense. We shall challenge even the elephant. Leave alone the cat.
And you shall toil until the cross is made.
Our cross. Their cross. Their cross. Our play. 2026.
It shall not happen under my watch. I, Alexander the Great, son of the soil, says no. Are you deaf?
But Alexander!
Cleopatra! Shut your swallowing
we shall
tongue.
not be silent.
Not delay.
Shall not be manipulated.
We shall not go down without
We
a
shall
fight.
not be abnormality.
We shall not accept your crap.
And we, with the children, will cry.
Cry! Grow! Die even if need be. Unless all this matter is consented by one and only Reverend Father Francis.
Reverend Father Francis, say something please.
For only the cross shall save us from this body.
And for only the cross shall save this heart.
And for only through Jesus Christ of Nazareth shall we be saved. Reverend Father Francis, just hold your head and we shall build the cross.
I agree.
Attention dedication to our very own Reverend Father Francis at Christ the King Creation. Bless you.
Wow, wow, wow.